Today, I am reviewing the HP 17.3-inch touchscreen laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are looking for a laptop that feels like a portable desktop replacement, you have probably stumbled across this massive 17-inch HP. I have been using this pale rose gold model for the past 2 weeks as my primary machine for office work and media consumption, and while it definitely has some impressive internals, there are a few compromises you need to be aware of before you drop your money on it. You can check the links below the video to explore this specific model, or see what the current pricing looks like right now. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the size. This is not a laptop you're going to toss into a small bag for a quick coffee shop run. It is big, it is heavy, and it is clearly designed to stay on a desk. The pale rose gold finish is a nice departure from the sea of gray and black plastic we usually see, and it feels surprisingly professional rather than toy-like. That said, the build is mostly plastic, so do not expect the premium rigidity of a high-end aluminum ultrabook. Performance-wise, the Intel Core i7-1355U combined with 16 GB of RAM makes this a beast for multitasking. I had over 30 browser tabs open, a spreadsheet running, and a video call going, and the machine didn't stutter once. The 1TB SSD is a huge plus here, as it gives you plenty of room to store large files without needing to rely on external drives immediately. If you are a student or a remote worker who needs to keep a dozen apps open at once, this hardware is going to handle your workflow without a problem. However, we have to talk about the screen. This is the biggest point of contention for me. It is a 17.3-inch display, which is wonderful for real estate, but the resolution is only HD+. At this size, you can occasionally notice the lack of sharpness if you're sitting close to the screen. It is also capped at 250 nits of brightness, which means it is perfectly fine for indoor office lighting, but it is going to struggle if you try to work next to a bright window or outdoors. The touch functionality is responsive and works well for quick scrolls or clicking through menus, but it is definitely a glossy panel, so expect some glare if you have overhead lights behind you. The keyboard is spacious, and having a dedicated number pad is a massive productivity booster for anyone doing data entry or accounting. The backlighting is consistent, which is great for late-night work, and the fingerprint reader is a nice touch for getting logged into Windows 11 without typing a PIN every single time. Port selection is solid, with a mix of USB-A and USB-C ports along with an HDMI out, meaning you can easily hook this up to a larger monitor if you find the built-in screen isn't quite enough for your needs. Now, who is this for? I would recommend this to someone who wants a permanent desk setup but doesn't have the space for a full tower PC. It is excellent for elderly users who want a larger screen for better visibility, or for people who work from home and need a reliable machine that can handle heavy multitasking. On the flip side, if you are looking for a gaming laptop, a video editing powerhouse, or something ultra-portable for travel, you should look elsewhere. The integrated graphics will handle light photo editing, but it is not built for high-end rendering or demanding modern games. Also, if you are a stickler for screen resolution, the 1600 by 900 panel might feel like a step backward compared to what you are used to on modern smartphones or tablets. Ultimately, this is a utilitarian machine that prioritizes screen size and multitasking speed over portability and display density. It is a workhorse, not a show horse. If you think this fits your specific needs, feel free to use the links below to check it out. Just make sure you understand that you are paying for the internal specs and the screen size rather than a high-end, premium display. It is a reliable, functional tool that gets the job done, provided you keep your expectations grounded in its intended use case.